try again. Okay, I got an experiment. I'm gonna put the sessions underneath to watch the suspension travel and see how the suspension works with the air shocks. Anyway, that should be pretty cool. Got it mounted, got it tethered, so we'll see how that works. Anyway, bye. Okay, I'm giving it a try. I got the GoPro sessions underneath the trailer looking at the suspension. So I'll go down this bumpy road and see see if you can see the suspension working. I'm only using this video to probably put the voice and put the other video on. Okay, let's see if it works. This road's pretty rough, so I should be able to see the suspension working. I got it tethered, but hopefully if it comes untethered and it's not dragging on the pavement, I won't go too far. This road's pretty bad, so we'll see how it's working. A lot of work to hook up the trailer just for trying to get this video of the suspension working. But this is a good road to test it because it's not smooth for sure. I'll just turn around here. That's probably enough just to test it out. I don't know if this road's better, but I'll turn around somewhere. Anyway, it'll be interesting to see how it works. This is the USA Trailer Store. Oh, what's it called? Discovery. I think I got it for $23.85 delivered, and now they're $27.99 not delivered, so they did go up quite a bit. I don't know why, but they're still cheaper than Bushtec, like half the price of Bushtec, and they're just as good a trailer. Because the new ones come with the air shocks already. When I bought this in 2015, it had really bad stiff shocks that didn't even travel at all. They were just useless shocks on there. And as soon as you put weight in it, the tires on the trailer cambered out like this. But now with the air shocks, I can put as much weight in as I want, and I keep the tires straight up and down. So that's pretty cool. These new air shocks. And then I know Bushtec comes with air shocks, but I think Bushtecs are like almost probably $5,500 or $6,000 now. So these, you can still get this one for $28, you know, on USA Trailer Store, which I like it. I almost got rid of it after Zion because it was just bouncing, and it wasn't good for the longest time. But then I finally did the air shocks, and oh, it's awesome. It's a great trailer now. I love it. And it doesn't sway. It stays back there. You know, you try and put a little bit more weight in front, so you got the weight on the hitch and not in the very back, because I think if you put the weight in the back, you'll get some swaying. But I've never had that happen, just bouncing before I put the air shocks on. This is the bumpy road right here. I wish I could have got the turn without the guy being there. He's really bumpy right there. And see how it works. It'll be interesting. Anyway, That might be kind of cool. I probably won't use it all just because it'll be enough. Bye.